Hi everyone, it's Alex from Risk Academy, and today I wanted to talk about risk management associations and institutes. Now I'm sure you have noticed is that lately there has been an influx of global, local, national risk management institutes and associations. Every single country now has one. There are regional based, there are global supposedly based. Are they any good? Are they actually in any way useful? Or maybe they're detrimental to the risk management profession? What are your thoughts? Do share underneath this video. I probably just want to add a couple of challenges for you to help you think, because I don't know the answer whether they're useful or not, but there are a few things that concern me a lot as a risk professional. Number one, most associations and institutes make money from memberships, and well, they actually make money from sponsorship, but they have to have a membership to attract sponsors. And most institutes are actually interested in pushing the agenda that risk management is a separate profession. So instead of the the more real, in my opinion, approach is that risk management is actually a decision-making tool, a competency that any decision maker should have in the workplace. Instead of pushing that idea, they're pushing that risk managers are professionals that have to be independent, that have to be separate, and they have to be a profession in their own right, which concerns me a little bit. The second thing that concerns me big time about associations is that they push risk management as a standalone process, as the process for the sake of managing risks. So they teach people and they publish guidelines and materials to support the notion that risk management is all about identification, assessment, mitigation, monitoring and reporting of risks, which of course is insanity, because risk management should be integral to all key decisions within the organization. It should be an integral part of business processes. And instead, what they should be pushing is how to integrate risk management into different decision disciplines. And so, if anything, they should be coordinating with Institute of Internal Audit to help change the way internal auditors audit risk management and the way they plan their own audit work. They should be coordinating with financial institutes and associations to change the way budgeting is done. But that's too difficult. Nobody does that. What they do instead is that they provide more guidance on how to create a risk appetite statement or some other ridiculous document like that. So I have few concerns. I don't know if they're good or bad. They can be good. They can provide different risk management training and different risk management certification. That can be focused on cognitive biases, risk modeling, and the decision making. But very few do. I mean, I was part of the board of the Russian Risk Management Association. When I joined them, I've completely changed the whole training curriculum. I've rewritten every single point that they've had in the training. So we started teaching people about decision making, about integration, about cognitive biases and Monte Carlo simulation. Since then we've separated ways and we've established a separate entity in Russia. Just a typical example, the Russian Risk Management Association went back to risk management system being a separate process for the sake of risk management. However, they do now teach at least Monte Carlo simulation. I mean, thank God. What they were doing before was just horrible. And still, I have very mixed feelings about these associations and institutes. What do you think? What do you think? Are they any good for the risk management professions? Or are risk managers better off joining and doing CFA exams, or joining some sort of decision making or decision theory or decision quality associations as opposed to risk management associations? What do you think? Do let me know underneath this video. Thank you and goodbye.